In today's video, I wanted to explain how to play the tremolo harmonica. First, we will see the types of harmonica, second, the layout, third, tab notation, and finally the pros and cons of this harmonica. There are three types of harmonica. First one is the diatonic harmonica. I have the three harmonica with me. This one is the diatonic harmonica. This is also called as blues harmonica. Harmonica can also be called as mouth organ. Mouth organ and harmonica are same instrument. This can also be called as 10-hole harmonica because this harmonica has totally 10 hole. With this 10 hole you can play in 3 octave, but this harmonica can play only in one major scale and one minor scale. This is D major scale harmonica, so you can play D major scale and its relative minor, which is B minor. Then the second type is the tremolo harmonica. Tremolo is easiest among all the three harmonica. And one more thing, if you play tremolo harmonica, you can automatically play the chromatic harmonica. Both follow the same tab notation. In this harmonica also you can play only in one scale. So this is C scale harmonica, so you can play C major scale and A minor scale. Third one is the chromatic harmonica. You have a slider button at the side. So this harmonica can play in all the major scale and all the minor scale. This button, if you press this button, you can play all the sharps and flat. That is the uniqueness in this harmonica. Let's stick with the tremolo harmonica. Second, let's see about the layout. This harmonica totally has 48 holes. If you count all these small holes, you have 48 holes. So they call this harmonica as 48 hole harmonica. But functionality wise, the harmonica is in 24 hole only. How I am saying that is, both top and bottom hole contribute to a single functionality. If you see the first hole, the first top and bottom hole combine to produce the C sound. If you blow the first hole, you get C sound. And if you blow the second hole, you will not get any sound because second hole is a draw hole. You need to draw or intake the air in, so you get the D sound. Each hole alternates with blow hole and draw hole. First hole is blow hole, second is draw hole, third is blow hole, fourth is draw hole. Even if you blow first and second hole, you will get sound only from the first hole. If you consider in that way, you have 24 holes. So some people call this as 24 hole harmonica. But the tab notation is in 12 hole only. You don't have tab notation for 24 hole. How the tab work is, it will be plus or minus 12 numbers. Plus 1 means you need to blow the first hole. So plus will not be represented in a plus symbol. If it is 1, then you have to automatically blow the hole. If it is a draw hole, there will be a minus symbol. Minus 1 means you need to draw the first hole. So here we have 24 holes, but you need to combine that 24 into 12 hole. The first two holes combine to form one hole. If you blow the first and second hole, you get C sound. If you draw the first and second hole together, you get D sound. So first two you need to combine and say 1 in tab form. Then third and fourth is 2. 5 and 6 is 3. Similarly, you can divide this harmonica plus or minus 12 format. This is the standard layout. Anything apart from this is a non-standard harmonica. If you buy that harmonica, you cannot play song easily because the tab notation will be different. Even if you search in the internet, you will not find harmonica tabs for this non-standard types. And one more thing, the same tab notation will be applicable for chromatic harmonica as well. Chromatic also will follow plus or minus 12 only, but in one scale. Without the press of button, both harmonica, do, re, mi, fa progression is same. The main disadvantage of tremolo harmonica is it cannot play accidental notes. Few songs has accidental notes. So if you have any song that has accidental notes, that cannot be played in tremolo harmonica. Even in diatonic harmonica also, you cannot play all accidental notes. Few accidental notes can be played, but all accidental notes cannot be played. If you want a complete package, you want to play accidental notes, everything, then chromatic harmonica is the best. You can play any accidental note, but you can play that note in this harmonica, but there will be a slight mistake. If that is fine, then it's okay. For example, if you see Blessed Assurance, Jesus is mine, in that song, in the second line, oh what a foretaste of glory divine, the divine, D will be a sharp note, which is an F sharp. F sharp cannot be played in the tremolo harmonica. You can play only F. So if you see that, there will be a mistake. Glory divine, a D you will play with mistake only. But if you play with chromatic harmonica, that F sharp you can play with the slider in button. If you are okay, you can play that with harmonica, but only in that area you will find that mistake. Other songs is it's not a problem. You can play any song which doesn't have external note in the tremolo harmonica. And out of the 3 harmonica, this is the easiest, and within one day you can start playing this harmonica. Okay, now let's sing a song with this harmonica. I will add my website link in the description. In my website I have written the harmonica tab for many songs, for chromatic, diatonic and tremolo. You can switch between the harmonicas to get your desired tabs. There is a song request function as well. You can request the song which you would like to learn. Let's play one song in tremolo harmonica.